Happy KO! Welcome to this part 2 of the 2-part series of computer maintenance for musicians. This video will be how to turn your computer on properly. And a lot of you are thinking, oh Lord, we know how to turn the computer on. We just hit the power switch and then we switch all the... Well, you would have fucked up because you don't just hit the power switch. I'll show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do, despite what all those idiots are going to say in the comments, is make sure that your interface is on. Okay, in our case, this little red light pops in, which means the computer is not currently on. Okay? Do not turn your speakers on, because when you do that and you turn the computer on, it's going to make a big pop, and it could blow out your speakers, and heaven forbid your ears. Next thing you do is turn the computer on. Find the power switch and turn the computer on. And now you wait for it to turn on. I've been sitting here for literally 5 minutes because this computer is so broken. But hopefully yours doesn't take this long. So now that we're into the computer, we can move on to the next step, because you don't want to just open up, go start clicking on things if you're, going to start a music session or something. But before we move on to the next portion, we have a couple words from a sponsor of ours.
Creatine helps with muscle recovery and performance.
Drew of Happy KO takes it. Ready to go.
Lawrence from Happy KO takes it. Ready, go!
Creatine, pick up yours today.
Welcome back. So, anyways, what was I saying? Okay, so once your computer is on, now you can turn your speakers on. Okay? So... Hold on. I'm going to hold the camera with my teeth. So I can fucking... Just look at this fucking thing. Okay, here we go. Okay. And then the other one. Well, I'm not gonna turn it on. You know what it's like. So once you turn those on, then you can open up Pro Tools session. Okay, you can just click on that. I'm not gonna do that here because the computer will freeze or something. So the reason you want to do it in this order is because if you turn on the computer and then you turn on the interface, it might screw up all your ins and out routing that you have set up for your Pro Tools sessions, and then you'll have to reroute everything, and that's a big pain in the ass because then you have a long list of previous ways you've routed it. It can just clog up the works, really. So be sure to do it this way from now on. Just trust me. Just trust me and Drew. Do it this way, and you'll save yourselves a lot of time because we've already wasted a lot of time. Okay? And you've wasted a lot of time watching this video, frankly. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and let us know what other series you would like to see on this channel. Happy KO, everyone.